Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. It's May 20th, 2018, and I hope everyone's having a beautiful day in the Lord. Um, just moments ago, the Lord gave me a word, and I was going to get ready to do my devotionals, but I feel an urgency in my spirit to speak this word that the Father gave me. He spoke the word Nova to me, okay? And I'm going to read what it says. Yeah. A nova, or classical nova, is a transient astronomical event that causes the sudden appearance of a bright, apparently new star that slowly fades over several weeks or many months. Novae involve an interaction between two stars that cause the flare-up that is perceived as a new entity that is much brighter than the stars involved. Causes of the dramatic appearance of a nova vary depending on the circumstances of the two progenitor stars. All observed novae involve closely located binary stars, either a pair of red dwarfs in the process of merging or a white dwarf and another star. The main subclasses of novae are classical novae, recurrent novae, and dwarf novae. They are all considered to be cataclysmic variable stars. Luminous red novae share the name and are also cataclysmic variables, but are a different type of event caused by a stellar merger. Also, with similar names, are much more energetic supernova. Classical nova eruptions are the most common type of nova. They are likely created in a close binary star system consisting of a white dwarf and either a main sequence subgiant or red giant star. When the orbital period falls in the range of several days to one, the white dwarf is close enough to its companion star to start drawing accreted matter into the surface of the white dwarf, which creates a dense but shallow atmosphere. This atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and is thermally heated by the hot white dwarf, which eventually reaches a critical temperature, causing rapid runaway ignition by fusion. From the dramatic and sudden energies created, the now hydrogen-burnt atmosphere is then dramatically expelled into interstellar space, and its brightened envelope is seen the visible light created from the nova event, and previously was mistaken as a, quote, new star. A few novae produce short-lived nova remnants, lasting for perhaps several centuries. Recurrent nova processes are the same as the classical nova, except that the fusion ignition may be repetitive because the companion star can again feed the dense atmosphere of the white dwarf. Novae most often occur in the sky along the path of the Milky Way, especially near the observed galactic center in Sagittarius. However, they can appear anywhere in the sky. They occur more frequently than galactic supernova, averaging about 10 per year. Most are found telescopically, perhaps only one every year to 18 months, reaching naked eye visibility. Novae reaching first or second magnitude occur only 7 times per century. The last bright nova was V1369 Centauri, reaching 3.3 magnitude on 14th of December 2013. And this is what it looks like. If you can see, I have to tilt my phone. See? Here are some pictures of a nova and a blow up. And the Father gave me on the 6th of May the word centrifugal force, and if you know anything about centrifugal force, it's the spinning that pulls. It's a pull of the center to the outside. So that could be why all these eruptions in Hawaii are happening. I'm not a scientist. I don't know. I'm just giving you what the Lord gave me. So I think, this could be a warning for us. So I'm just documenting it and putting it out there. And take it as everything that I get and I share with you. Just take it to the Lord for confirmation. And thank you. God bless you. Have a great day.